Hi, this is Noah from Screen Print Exchange. This is my furnace. It's not heating up because I believe the igniter is no good. I can test it with my continuity tester, my $10 continuity tester I've got at Ace Hardware. So that's not working. I could also test it. It's probably not the right way, but I know this is bad because it's not turning on. So, yeah. And I actually got lucky because I think the short is right there, if you can see it. So it does not turn on because of that short. Let's see, more continuity tester. I bet it'll turn on if I go here. Nope. See, it turns on, there's continuity. Yeah, there's no continuity. This wire should go all the way here to here to here. No continuity. So that's bad. So I made the mistake earlier. Let me find it. To put this cord end on. I'm lucky. I work on a lot of machines, so I have these hollow ring that push these connectors out. I bought these on eBay. Otherwise, it's impossible. Push it in. So, and here are the splines. There's little hooks that when you push it in, it grabs onto the plastic, so you can't turn it on. See these little hooks right here? And this black one, they're all different sizes, pushes them in, and then you can pull them out. So here we go. So I already installed the new igniter. I just had to put on the new connectors, and this baby should fire up. Let's go. It's cold here in Chicago today. It's like -2. So let's get this turned on. See if it works. Before it wouldn't turn red. It's gonna go through its cycle. And let's see. So it's placed like right there, but behind the jet, the gas jet, and when this turns red, which it was not, it would eventually turn on the gas, Yep, here's some good clicks. So it would ignite the gas because it was super hot. I've had these where I barely touch it. You always do it. Oh, it's turning red. See that? I've had these, you always do this with electricity off, where I've just tapped it and it moved. So this is my second igniter on this. I always buy these in 2s. And I also have problems with this rod right here. Yep, we got heat. We got ignition. I always have problems with these. I usually change these 1 or 2 times a year. You can buy these parts on Amazon. If you go to a heating supply place, they will not sell to people that are not in the trade. So keep warm. We're all good. Thank you. Hope this helped.